Most AI films fail not because of the tools, but because nobody's directing. In this video, learn to turn any AI agent or LM into a director. So the agent's picking shot types for each beat, deciding when to go wide or close, moving the camera, and shaping the actor's emotions. Hey everyone, welcome back, Nova here. Today I want to solve one specific problem: how to get an AI agent directing your scenes.
Lights! Camera! Action!
We're using Runway's AI agent to pick the right shot for every moment, then generating the video with Seedance 2 Mini. I'm using the Runway agent here, not just as a video generator, but as the decision maker that directs the scene before anything gets created. To keep things simple, you start by outlining your story right here and requesting a character sheet, which is always step one. I also like to check Always Ask, so I have complete control over the budget. Next, the agent asks a few quick questions about the workflow and character details to lock in the design. Once you answer those based on your character's identity and style, the agent generates the prompt for the sheet. Give it a quick look, hit approve, and it generates your complete character sheet. This is the visual foundation of the film. The style is painterly 3D concept art with 2.5D stylized realism. You can see the visible brush strokes, the blocky light and shadow, and those cold, overcast tones. The character is designed to stay completely clear and consistent, while the environments carry that same mood, texture, and atmosphere throughout. Okay, this is how most people use an agent. You chat with it, give it an idea, and it generates your assets. We're building a smarter workflow that levels up quality and lowers credit costs. What makes this possible are skills. Skills keep the agent focused on what you actually want instead of wandering around. Runway already has some built-in ones, like commercial workflows, mood boards, and UGC ads. So I click on New Skill, and then I upload this Markdown or PDF file. This file acts as a structured instruction system. This is great because it keeps everything organized, readable, and easy for an LLM or agent to follow step by step. Some agents can't read raw MD files directly. If you use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, MD is fine, otherwise convert it to PDF. Inside this file, I'm defining how the agent should think like a creative director: how to read emotion, choose shot size, pick camera angles and movement, and maintain style continuity. It's essentially a brain that understands filmmaking. Once created, it sits right here so you can use it whenever you need it. Once the skill is loaded, I can just call it by typing / in the prompt box and selecting the skill name. Then, I describe the scene in plain language, and the agent breaks down the whole plan. It handles the shot logic, emotional direction, and overall structure before any video even gets generated. If you want, you can ask the agent to create the scene right there in chat, or just grab the prompt and head back to the main generation page. For this example, I'm using Seedance 2 Mini inside Runway. I'm selecting it here to show you the main interface, but you could easily do this inside the agent chat just like we did with the character sheet. So now, I just paste the prompt here, select the assets from my library, tag them directly into the prompt, and hit generate. That's it. Now that you know the steps, let's break down why this actually matters. Let me show you the results first, then I'll explain. The first clip has good details, but the shots don't really go anywhere. You see the struggle, but you don't travel through it. The second clip is completely different. It starts down in the mud, moves to the hand to capture that struggle, and then opens up to the full landscape. The shots build a real progression, carrying the emotion from the body into the world. In the first clip, every shot looks good on its own, but they don't really build toward anything. The second clip works because it follows a real shot philosophy. First, it gives you the scale of the world, and then it compresses all of that into one tiny droplet. That shift from vast to intimate is what actually gives the scene its emotion. Here, the scene starts at the ground, feet in the mud, hand on the strap, then the world opening up around her. You feel the heavy burden before ever seeing her face. Then we shift from the vast world down to a single droplet. That transition creates the emotion. Keeping her wide and facing away makes the moment feel far more personal and open. We move from context to character, understanding her place in the village first, so the eventual face reveal actually feels earned. Then the movement builds in 3 steps: walking, impact, and the kneel, letting the camera move closer right as the emotion hits. Finally, a single close-up where she looks straight into the lens, making it feel less like a scene and more like a confession. Okay guys, that was what I've learned these days. I've dropped 2 MD files in the description below to help your workflow. One is the full AI director framework, and the second is for Seedance 2 mini prompts. Together, they create a complete system. Your support, comments, and shares really keep the channel going, especially lately. In this hard situation, I truly appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for hanging out today, love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.